So I got the new NATASHA DENONA Tinted Lip Mask. So this is the Hygiene collection, and I have the Berry Bliss and Candy Apple shade. This is not my first time wearing it because I've been actually wearing this for like a good month, and it's saving my lips so much because it's very dry. And this product, it feels so good. It hydrates my lips. So I'm going to show you what I have today. And also, I'm going to be trying this Makeup by Mario travel size. This is the light medium contour and the sweet pink. So I got this from Sephora holiday discount. So I'm going to be trying that. Let's go ahead. I will put a contour because I don't have anything except my foundation and of course the eyeshadow, and I don't have nothing on my lips. So what I'm gonna do is on this side I'm gonna directly apply the product, and on this side I'm gonna use his brush as well. This is the number F4. This one is really popular and it's sold out during the sale. I'm so glad I got it like quite early. So let's try it here first. So let's see if that's the right shade for me, light medium. And then I'm going to just blend it with a brush, just stapling it there and see how it works, because it might be too light for my skin, but you know, sometimes it's nice if we can just have a little bit of dimension. It doesn't necessarily has to be like darker, but just a little bit there. Yeah, so you can see that it's giving me this nice shadow contour. I want more softer, and then I'm gonna try it on my forehead and then my jaw. I already have contour on my nose, so I do not have to do that, but okay, and see if that's better. My god, I have so much baby hair. I've been losing a lot of hair since I had my baby, and you know, they're growing fast too. So I just have like I'll show you which one is so funny. This one right here. You see that? That's just like all new hair coming out. I'm just glad that they're coming back. So that is sort of the contour. I feel like I needed just a little bit more over here, just to give some more blended kind of dimension. Okay, so the brush feels really good. It feels really good, and I use this as my foundation brush, like around my nose for the other side. I actually don't have a lot of double-ended brush, and this one do it for me. So that is the contour. You can see that it is very nice and blended. It's not as, you know, dark for my skin. If you were to sort of choose a different shade, maybe you can go with the medium. Sometimes it's nice to just have that like little bit of dimension and contour. It doesn't need to be like very strong, and that's just how it looks like. Now I'm going to grab it with a brush. Actually, I'm gonna grab it like this and then just stipple it there on this side. So you can see on this side that it's giving me a nice contour too there. Yeah, it's actually really good. It's not too bad. So I'm just gonna continue doing this on my forehead with a brush. Alright, so that is the contour. I don't look like as pale as I first showed up here, which is very good. I feel more comfortable. It just gives me more dimension, and you can see that it's just so interesting and so magical how this kind of makeup gives you your feature, you know, like it's so amazing when I think about makeup. And if you're using the right technique, the right color, and all of the right tools, it gives you this like amazing result. And it always shocked me, and it always make me feel happy that makeup exists, you know, like you can see how much that makes a big difference towards my feature before and after, right? So let's go ahead and apply the blush too. I'm gonna do the same thing, apply it directly and then do the brush on the other side as well. So we're gonna do it here. I'm excited because this looks really pretty and such a nice traveling size, so I'm really happy that I get to pick this up. And I'm just gonna use the brush again. So this brush is very versatile. Like you can use this is supposed to be a foundation brush, but you can use this anything like blush, bronzer, contouring, and that's how the blush looks like. It's very light. I'm gonna give you a swatch of this after my application, don't worry. And it looks really nice and dewy. It's very lightweight. I really like it. It's giving me this very natural flush. That is the first sort of layer that I did, and I'm just gonna layer it one more time. Wow, it's giving me this like nice glow, and it's not over dewy or balmy in the skin, which is, I appreciate it. Now I just gotta see if it does disturb my base. Oh, that looks really nice. Yeah, it doesn't disturb my base, which is, my goodness, I really appreciate that. Oh my god, this blush just looks so good. Just appreciate that for a moment. It looks really nice. And I'm also wearing Mario powder. I love that powder. I love that powder so much. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the blush with this one here. So I'm just using one brush so that you guys can see how versatile the brush is. Oh, okay. So now that I did that on this side, I feel like I like this better. Like grabbing the blush with the brush. Oh my god, that's so tongue twister. I feel like it gives a lot more pigment. That's just my feeling, but yeah, I feel like I see more color right away. And then I'm just gonna give it a little bit of color here on my nose. That is so pretty. The blush and the contour complements each other, and it's still a good shade. But I think if you gonna pick up the medium shade from the contour, like he has his own line, actually a full size of that, you can go with a medium or light medium. It's safe enough. So that is how it looks like. It's just so flawless. Now you see, I'm gonna give you a swatch for the contour. This is the light medium once again. See, it's not terrible. I can see it on my skin even though it's right here, and you can see it right there as well. Now the blush. Okay, so you can see that it's very light, and like I said, it's giving you this like fresh, just flushed of color. It's not super like pigmented, but it's there. You know what I mean? Like it's just a nice one. Like it's not gonna overpower your makeup. I really love the look. It's so good. Now I'm gonna show you this shade because I'm excited, but at the same time I have a little story about this brand. I'm not kind of upset about it. It's okay. If they don't want to be part of it, it's fine. Like I don't really feel like I have a bad feeling about it. Like you know, on my description down below, I am usually part of NATASHA DENONA's affiliate links, and I have a code if you guys need a discount, blah whatever. You know how it goes. They just suddenly removed me from it. Maybe I don't really sell it that much, but I want to join just in case you guys wanted a discount code. It's available for you to use, but just so you know as well, if you ever use that code, it's not working anymore. So I'm no longer part of NATASHA DENONA affiliate link, but I can also tag NATASHA DENONA with other brands. Just so you know, I don't know why there's no explanation, but just so you know, I still love the brand because it has an amazing product, and that's why I wanted to show you this today. So I'm gonna be using the Candy Apple first. And this is the way how the applicator is. It's so cute. Also, I just want to talk about a little bit quickly for you. So this is a tinted lip mask. Main ingredients is hyaluronic acid, of course. That's the #1 thing with all the moisturizer or hydrating formula. Everyday hyaluronic acid lip nourishment. So you can also use as a balm, gloss in the morning, and as a lip mask before bed. Reapply throughout the day as needed. So it's very good. I've been using this like so good. So Candy Apple is a red, and you can see how much pigment it's on this one. So that's just how much I applied so far. And right away, it's giving me a very cute color, like a very pretty sort of reddish color, and I love that I don't have to put too much, and it's very moisturizing already. It's hydrating. It feels like balm oil at the same time, but it's not sticky. You know, it's absorbed my lips right away. I have a little bit of dryness around my lips too, but it's so good. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Now, let me just apply one layer. Okay, so that is the second sort of layer I did. And it's just so pretty. It's so freaking good. Like, I'm gonna need another one of this if I run out. There is a clear one or sort of like a nude color. Maybe I should get that if I run out of one of this because it's so good. And there's no lip liner. That's just what the bomb. Like, that's just completely, you know, came out from this tube. I get stuck. So now I'm gonna show you the second shade, which is my favorite actually because this is so trendy right now. So this is the Berry Bliss, and I have used both of this. And let's see. So that's how it looks like once you apply it, but once you blend it too on your lips. Okay, so this is the Berry Bliss. Look how gorgeous this shade is. It reminds me of Clinique. I think it's Honey something. I can't remember. That is very trendy. So Honey Pop. Oh my god, I can't remember the name of that, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. It reminds me of that shade, but it's slightly more moisturizing and a little bit more glossy. It's Black Honey. Now I remember. Black Honey one. That's very popular. But this, look at this shade. It's my favorite. I mean, I'm gonna run out of it. I've been using it like crazy. So that is Berry Bliss one more time. And this is the blush and the bronzer. And here's the swatch again. I'm gonna give you a swatch of these two products as well. This is Berry Bliss. Look how pigmented that is. It's just so cute, and I love the applicator. It's nice, very handy, and that's the candy apple. Alright, I am done with this video today. I hope you had fun. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet. And again, I want to greet you all a happy holidays. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your New Year. Start shopping. If you don't have anything yet, you better start now. Stop ordering online because it's not gonna get to you. You have to go in the store, buy it right now. Don't stop until you don't have it in your hands. If you wanted to give someone that's very special to you, you have to have it Christmas, you know, no delay. I have to get mine as well in the store because I don't want to order online anymore, so I might do that tomorrow because it's the weekend. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing holiday, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!